Ready. Start. The petitioner made a representation dated 30/8/2017 to the Election Commission, praying therein that the petitioner be declared elected as member to the Council of States in place of Sri Prabhu Manohar Gopal Parrikar from Uttar Pradesh, and further that vacancy occurring in the seat occupied by said Sri Parrikar be not notified for fresh election, and it may not be filed till disposal of the review petition filed by the petitioner, calling for a review of the judgment of this court whereby his election petition has been dismissed. Full stop. Sri Gaimar Ahmad, who pleaded his cause appearing in person, has further submitted that in view of the aforementioned facts, to avoid any further oblique future complications, fresh notification may not be issued for election to fill up the seat which was occupied by Sri Parrikar till disposal of the review petition. Full stop. Para. Citing various authorities of Honorable Supreme Court, it has primarily been submitted by Sri Gaimar Ahmad, the petitioner, that in case before disposal of the review petition pending consideration before this court, notification for election to the Rajya Sabha seat in question is issued, the same would amount to writing the provisions of Article 329B of the Constitution of India for the reason that election petition challenging an election to either houses of the parliament is filed under section 80 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, as in terms of the mandate contained in Article 329B of the Constitution of India. Validity of an election to either houses of parliament can be called in question only by an election petition presented in the manner prescribed for the said purpose, and the manner for presentation of an election petition as mentioned in Article 329B of the Constitution of India has been prescribed under Section 80 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Full stop. His submission thus is that proceedings of review petition filed by him are in continuance of the proceedings of the election petition, and as such, before disposal of the review petition, if any notification for holding an election against the seat which was earlier occupied by Sri Parrikar is issued by the Election Commission, the game would be violative of Article 329B. Full stop. Para. Sri Gaimar Ahmad has made lengthy arguments to impress upon the court that in case notification for holding election against the Rajya Sabha seat in question is issued by the Election Commission before decision on review petition, it shall in effect result in rendering the review petition infructuous. As such, keeping in mind the relevant provisions of the Constitution, more particularly Article 329B, such an action on the part of the Election Commission would result in doing something indirectly what could not be done by it directly. Full stop. Sri Gaimar Ahmad more vociferously has argued that if the Election Commission in such a situation issues notification for election before decision of the review petition, it will amount to annulment of Article 329B and that of the review petition itself, which is the outcome of election petition. Full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.